Okay, you guessed it, back on the 57 Ford F100. The Legos are coming together pretty quick. It's starting to look more like a truck than a chassis, and I'm excited. Let's get to work. Oh no. Well, that one didn't make it. This door seal will work on the Bronco. There's no way, right? Oh, it's tight. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Boy, the Explorer is the gift that keeps on giving. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, so what's going on here? This is just a preliminary fit. This is not even going all the way down. We're just gonna get Bill to drop this bed as low as we can get it to the chassis. Try to get some reference of the bed floor that might have to be clearance. And I know I've got to take the back section of this frame off. I kinda wanna put this on dollies and get it over there. Mm-hmm. Because a lot of what I'm about to start doing, I don't want to be confined by this lift. It may literally take us all day to do this. Get those doors next door, this setup on those, and let's address the steering shaft, let's address the shifter linkage. Yeah, we're basically in the bowels of the chassis swap. Okay, so before we move the truck over, I'm going crazy. There's too much stuff in the shop. It's 10 pounds of crap in a 5-pound bag. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of one tool chest. I'm gonna gather up all of this Art Captain equipment I've got spread out everywhere. I wanna build one tool cart, or welding cart, I guess it is, that holds this toolbox, holds both cylinders. I've got an argon and then an argon CO2 mix. I've got a TIG machine, I've got a MIG machine, I've got a plasma cutter. I want everything to live on one mobile unit, and that's what I'm gonna throw together here. I'm gonna butcher a US General toolbox, add some scrap metal, some green spray paint, and see where this ends. I forgot that wasn't hooked up.
18 by 10.5. Ho, ho, ho. What I do need to do over here is clearance the corners.
pick it on there for test fit. Go buy a t-shirt, 20 bucks plus shipping, TT&L. This one, double-sided, make wagons great again. It's only 29 plus tax, title, and license. We've got stickers, t-shirts, stickers. Go to Mud Customs, fund more builds like this. I gotta get back to work.
So we need one there, and we need one there.
Okay, so hopefully that wasn't too boring, but I really wanted to do this. I've been wanting to do it for a while. So I've got my MIG, my TIG, and my plasma machine mounted. Both cylinders locked in. Used the existing shelf that came with the toolbox, flips it upside down, cut it out. Used wheel spacers to trace it out. All right, so now let's get to work. Well, your build episode just got derailed. I mean, this is Bronco weather, right? We do Bronco things here. It's got a bad alignment issue in the back. I don't know what's going on. It don't even have 800 miles on it, and this is already the second set of tires I put on it. It's the donor car life. All terrains. Other side. Oh yeah, that's nice.